Good afternoon, everyone at DBP, and thank you for the privilege of introducing our guest speaker for this afternoon. His name is Michael V. Maranan, and his journey in logistics and entrepreneurship did not begin with a grand plan. It began with a curiosity and the need to understand how things move: people, goods, opportunities, and lives. Let's all introduce Dr. Michael V. Maranan.
Kaya siguro yung bagay yung business namin eh. Ang bagal-bagal umandar ng lahat nagmamadali yung mga kliyente. Wala pa akong narinig sa 30 years ko nagpa-practice na gustong ma-delay yung cargo nila. Gusto lang ma-delay or mura. Laging gusto nila faster and cheaper. Tapos ang traffic sa Manila. Kaya siguro nagawa namin ng paraan siya. Marami nagtatanong sa akin ano yung business model or ano yung sikreto. Go Negosyo mentor po ako for the last 20 years. Accredited din po ako ng DTI as mentor. So mga hindi yung nakakilala sa akin, may 50 plus interviews ako sa TV. So Rated K, Rated Corina, May Puhunan, Agribusiness, Agripreneur, name it po, nandyan.